Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have naturally healthy teeth and gums, while others do everything right, brushing twice a day, flossing regularly, visiting the dentist, and still struggle with cavities, bad breath, or gum problems? What if the answer isn't just about removing bad bacteria, but supporting the good bacteria living inside your mouth? Today we're diving into the fascinating science behind oral probiotics and dental health. We'll explore what researchers have discovered about the oral microbiome, how probiotics may help support healthier teeth and gums, and how oral probiotic supplements like ProDentim could fit into a well-rounded oral care routine. And as always, this video isn't medical advice. Think of it as an educational look at the emerging science so you can make informed decisions about your own health. Let's get into it. Most of us grew up believing that bacteria are the enemy. Commercials taught us to kill germs. Mouthwash promised to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria. Toothpaste advertisements focused on fighting plaque. But modern science paints a much more complicated picture. Your mouth contains one of the most diverse microbial ecosystems in the human body. According to a 2023 systematic review published in the journal Pharmaceuticals, the oral cavity hosts an enormous community of microorganisms that play an important role in maintaining oral health. In fact, the mouth contains the second largest collection of microbes in the body after the colon. Many of these bacteria aren't harmful at all. They're actually beneficial. These microorganisms help maintain balance within the mouth, limiting the growth of potentially harmful species and supporting the health of oral tissues. Researchers refer to this balance as the oral microbiome. When this ecosystem remains balanced, it may contribute to healthy teeth, fresher breath, and healthier gums. But when that balance is disrupted, problems can begin. Scientists often refer to something called the ecological plaque theory. This theory suggests that oral disease doesn't necessarily happen because bacteria exist. Instead, disease may occur when the balance shifts and harmful bacteria begin to dominate. This imbalance has been linked to conditions such as dental cavities, gingivitis, periodontal disease, bad breath, and peri-implant inflammation. The review noted that changes in microbial interactions can influence the transition from oral health to disease. Think of your mouth like a garden. If healthy plants thrive, weeds have a harder time taking over. But if the garden becomes neglected, unwanted growth can quickly spread. The goal isn't sterilization, it's balance, and that's where probiotics enter the conversation. Most people associate probiotics with digestive health. You've probably seen them in yogurt commercials or gut health supplements. But probiotics are simply live microorganisms that may provide health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. Common probiotic strains include Lactobacillus species and Bifidobacterium species. Interestingly, some of these same beneficial bacteria naturally occur in the mouth. The review identified strains such as Lactobacillus paracasei, Lactobacillus plantarum, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, and Lactobacillus salivarius as species that have been isolated from oral samples. Researchers are now exploring whether supplementing these beneficial bacteria could help support oral health. So, how exactly could probiotics help? The science is still evolving, but several mechanisms have been proposed. 1. Competing with harmful bacteria. Beneficial bacteria may compete with undesirable bacteria for space and resources. By occupying attachment sites, probiotics may make it more difficult for harmful microbes to establish themselves. The review noted that many studies demonstrate probiotics' ability to compete with pathogens for adhesion surfaces. 2. Supporting gum health. Some clinical trials have shown encouraging results in people with periodontal disease. One study found that probiotic lozenges containing lactobacillus strains contributed to reductions in periodontal pocket depth after treatment. Participants also experienced improvements in deeper pockets and required fewer surgically necessary interventions. While probiotics aren't replacing professional periodontal care, they may serve as a helpful adjunct. 3. Helping maintain fresh breath. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, can sometimes be influenced by bacterial imbalances. Researchers have investigated whether probiotics may help shift the oral environment toward a healthier microbial profile. Although additional studies are needed, this area remains promising. 4. Supporting healthy bacterial diversity. A diverse microbiome tends to be associated with resilience. By encouraging a healthier balance of microbes, probiotics may contribute to an environment that supports overall oral wellness. 5. Potential effects on cavities. Several studies have examined whether probiotics influence Streptococcus mutans, one of the bacteria associated with dental caries. Some evidence suggests probiotic consumption may reduce levels of these cariogenic bacteria. Short-term probiotic use in children was even associated with slowing the onset of dental caries in certain studies. However, results remain mixed. Now, before anyone throws away their toothbrush and replaces it with probiotic supplements, we need to talk about what the science actually says. The authors of the review emphasized that although probiotics have demonstrated therapeutic potential, the evidence supporting their application in dental health is not yet definitive. In other words, the findings are encouraging, but they aren't conclusive. Researchers still need to determine which strains work best, the ideal dosage, how long benefits may last, whether probiotics permanently colonize the mouth, the long-term effects of supplementation. So probiotics shouldn't be viewed as a miracle cure. Instead, they may represent one additional tool in a comprehensive oral health strategy. This growing interest in oral probiotics has led to the development of products specifically designed to support the oral microbiome. The best example of these products is ProDentim. Unlike traditional oral products that primarily focus on cleaning the surface of the teeth, ProDentim is formulated as an oral probiotic supplement intended to help support beneficial bacteria within the mouth. Now, it's important to remember, no supplement can replace brushing twice daily, flossing regularly, limiting excessive sugar intake, drinking enough water, routine dental checkups and cleanings. However, for individuals interested in supporting the balance of their oral microbiome, a product like ProDentim may provide an additional boost to your dental hygiene. The idea isn't that ProDentim fixes every dental issue. Rather, it's best used as a complementary addition to healthy habits already known to support oral health. As with any supplement, results can vary from person to person. If you're interested in supporting your oral microbiome naturally, here are a few evidence-based habits. Brush consistently. Floss daily. Schedule regular dental visits. Limit frequent sugary snacks and beverages. Stay hydrated. Eat a balanced diet rich in nutrients. And consider probiotic supplements as an additional resource. Remember, supplements work best when they support healthy habits, not replace them. The future of dentistry may not simply be about eliminating bacteria. It may be about learning which bacteria to nurture. Emerging research suggests that maintaining a healthy oral microbiome could play an important role in supporting gum health, fresher breath, and overall dental wellness. While more research is needed, oral probiotics represent an exciting area of study that challenges the way we've traditionally thought about dental care. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's interested in taking a smarter, more balanced approach to oral health. Check out the affiliate link below to get your own kit of ProDentim. And let me know in the comments what benefits you notice. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.